all have a philosophy of life, whether or not we formulate it. Does it end in self, or does it include our relations and our duties to our fellows? General William Booth of the Salvation Army was once asked to send a Christmas greeting to his forces throughout the world. His life had been spent in unselfish service. Over the cable, he sent but one word: others. This is my creed: to do some good, to bear my ills without complaining, to press on as a brave man should for honors that are worth the gaining, to seek no profits where I may, by winning them, bring grief to others, to do some service day by day in helping on my toiling brothers. This is my creed: to close my eyes to little faults of those around me, to strive to be, when each day dies, some better than the morning found me, to ask for no unearned applause, to cross no river until I reach it, to see the merit of the cause before I follow those who preach it. This is my creed: to try to shun the sloughs in which the foolish wallow, to lead where I may be the one whom weaker men should choose to follow, to keep my standards always high, to find my task and always do it. This is my creed. I wish that I could learn to shape my action to it.